Ngayon sir, speaking of regulatory body or powers of the ombudsman, isa sa mga hindi na-tap talaga na potential ng ombudsman was at the height of the drug war of the former president. Unfortunately, many drug war victims went to the ombudsman to seek accountability kasi hindi gumana yung accountability mechanisms on the part of the NAPOLCOM, AYA. So they went to the ombudsman because as the last resort. Pero unfortunately, hindi tayo nakakita talaga ng tangible results from the part of the ombudsman. Magkakaroon po ba kayo ng investigation, revisit of certain cases linked to the drug war? Because the ombudsman, as far as I know, can do that, sir.
That's so important to us. I think that you just gave me an idea on how to conduct other things that have to be done by the office. Didig up namin lahat ng complaints dyan during the drug war.
Opo.
And I'll get to it. Kasi nga, kaya nga nasa ICC na-file yung kaso, wala talaga magawa dito kahit police report, wala Jairo
Yes po.
And dapat yan pinanagot yung mga yan Isang police report lang na kulang dyan, dapat yung station commander niyan, dapat yan, na kagad Tanggal na kagad yan, o kaya suspendido kagad. Pero wala They were coddled. Grievous thing yan talaga. How do you investigate something when it's not supposed to exist because there's no police report?
So categorical answer, sir, i-revisit at investigation.
Oh yes, we will revisit the drug war from the perspective of the ombudsman.
Apo.